Hi, and welcome to another tutorial from Binfer on how to move files from one computer to another. Now, the first thing you need to do before you actually can follow along with this tutorial is make sure that you have downloaded the Binfer software onto both of the computers in question, and make sure it's open on both computers. Then click on New and Message, and just start filling in the information. Now, to is just an email address that you can access on the other computer. So we'll fill that in. The subject is whatever you want. Just today we're going to be transferring animal pics. In the comment, you don't actually have to leave one if you don't want to, but I'll just put Cleanup 2019 so I know what exactly I'm doing. Now this is the fun/easy part. Now we're moving 45 pictures today, and it's really easy, and this is one of the benefits of using Binfer is you can do large volume file transfers in one swoop. So like there's 45 images in this folder, and I'm just going to literally drag and drop the entire folder into the area marked files. And just move on up to the left and hit that black arrow. You'll see message added, so you know that your files are on their way. And here again is another list of what you sent. You'll see that little 45 count off to the right there. And then a message will pop up. You'll see that in the lower right hand corner that says file sent. So you know your 45 images are on their way. Now I want to show you the recipient perspective. So Anna sent these files to Jordan, which is basically one computer to another. So there you see the animal pics received, 45 pictures in total. It's not actually 30 minutes that it took. I just took a break and came back to this. So here are all the pictures. You can see the list and the 45. And if you click the file folder, it will take you to exactly where the pictures are located. And there they are. And this is kind of cool, so I want to show you this. Let me click on that. And you get to see all the images via thumbnail. So let me minimize this stuff so we can just appreciate these beautiful thumbnails. And these are all the pictures that you just transferred. Easy, right?